What was your name again?
Eric.
Eric. Nice to meet you. What's your ethnicity?
What do you think?
Mexican.
Mexican.
All right, I got it. I was like, you're either Mexican or like Middle Eastern.
I get that a lot.
One of those two. Can you guess what I am?
Middle Eastern?
Good guess, good guess.
Because they've already told me.
Yeah. Let's go Piplup from Cosmic. Blaziken. I do like the shiny Charizard too. Shiny Zard.
The shiny V?
I'm like, I'm not gonna take everything. Starts picking up. Leafeon, Espeon. I'm kidding. Dude, I'm like, Espeon. That's my favorite card from Sword and Shield. What's your favorite card from Sword and Shield?
Sword and Shield? I'm basic. I like the Charizard.
Charizard ult? All right. I'm with Eric with Pack Battle. We got the Charizard, Blaziken, the Sylveon, Mewtwo, Mew, Espeon, and the Piplup. Market's 13. We're gonna flip 1100 or 1150. You throw, I call.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Tails. Am I gonna win finally? Oh my god, I'm 0-3 in the last 3 flips. You won. 1150, bro. Appreciate you, bro. What is this? Palkia and Dialga, Heart Gold, Soul Silver, Legend Pieces, PSA 10. 450, 510.
450, 510.
Throw it.
Let's do it.
It better land on tails. Tails, 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 tails. God damn it, it's heads again. Are you down to do a deal?
Yeah.
If you're cool.
It's the wrong sign.
Holy.
Look at the bag. It has both.
Oh my god, look how off-center that is.
Look at the bag is even
Pretty
wide.
sick. Kind of want it. I'll take that. That'll be a cool chase, actually. Here, I'll make you an offer on these 3 packs and the slabs, if that's cool with you. Let me just double check. This is like the only mystery question.
I was supposed to take an alt thing like that.
This is like probably maybe like, it looks like,
less than $100.
yeah, I'm gonna guess like 70 bucks or something like that.
Definitely 80. If I had to guess.
80, 50, yeah. 60, 90, 50, 50, 60, 60. It's like 60, 70, 80 bucks, something like that range. Okay, I don't normally pay cash, but if I pay you cash, can you do me 2,400 on this? The slabs and the 3 packs, 2,400. If you want, we can do a flip too. So we're at, you said 1,040 here,
1,040 for that.
and then you said how much on these? On the 2,
550.
which is what? So plus 1,100.
1,100.
So 2,140, and you
then
said
I can do 625. Fortunately, I'm a little more stuck on this.
okay. What's 625? 2765.
2765. Now I got Venmo Cash App too. Like if you want to do some of that. Unfortunately, I just don't have the PayPal. And if I did have PayPal, it has to be goods and services because my LLC business account. But I'm just trying to work with you, brother.
Sure.
Like I said, I see a lot of your content.
I appreciate that.
I just kind of want to do a good deal with you guys at first, you know?
You want to flip 27, 28?
I'd have to be like 20, 25, so it makes it a little bit better on my end.
Say it again?
'Cause I'm losing, I'd have to be like 28, 25. Because at my end, yeah, I'm losing 65, but if I get 28, I'm only gaining 35.
Oh, you just want like
You know what I mean? Just to make it a little easier.
cash?
Yeah.
You want to do it? Cash? 27, 28 flip? All right. Eric,
You
right?
have a coin?
Yeah, I do. All right, so we got Eric, multiple slabs, 2 expedition packs, and an Aquapolis pack. Let me pull some bangers on these. I'll call it.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip it right on.
That's fine, that's fine. Yeah. Tails. Finally won. Let's go. Golden Pullz! Appreciate you, brother. 2,700 cash. 2,700 bucks cash. You want to double check it? You can.
Yeah, I got you, brother.
We could do a quick cook session.
You don't want any CGC, right?
No CGC. Damn, these are PSA 10s? No 9s. I like this. Yeah. Pass on this. Damn, bro, I've never seen PSA 10s like these before in my life.
Shut the fuck up.
What?
What? Catch him in 4K?
Dude, you see the texture on this one? Damn. Okay, the hard yeses, hard yes, hard yes, hard yes, hard yes. Oh, dude, see, now we're cooking, brother. Hard yes.
I mean, yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude. Hard yes, hard yes. How much is this worth?
Oh, Parappa? Yeah, it's 180. What'd you say?
Like 160 something?
Oh, you're wrong again.
By 10 bucks? As opposed to your 2 something?
You heard that? You scammed me out of $10, Chad.
All right, we're gonna do a POV here. All right, there we
Out of
go.
all the ones that I would want to keep, it would be that one.
What, the 10? Sabrina's Gengar? No, I need that.
Oh, now we need it.
Listen, pal. Listen,
Okay,
pal.
buddy.
Just because you're bigger than me doesn't mean you can just bully me like that.
Please. I'm bigger than you.
Just because your social media presence is so large. All right, here we go. What do we got here on alt? On the Sabrina's Gengar and a 10. 560, 500. Okay. 5. That's fine.
This one might be a little lower.
Quick maths, quick maths.
Okay.
Ready?
500.
Hold on. Wait. What?
Are you want to do quick math or what?
1K, 1.3. Hold on. 1.6. Hold on.
1350.
Hold on. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 500, 1K, 1.3, 1.6. Hold on.
1.65.
No, 1.6
No, it's 1.7.
plus 4,
It's
2K,
1.7.
2.2K,
Oh, you're wrong, I guess.
2.3K, and 2.5K. Market. Okay, what's your market?
It's 2650. You just said 25?
Market's what?
26.
Just take the 25 market price and then we continue on the flip, brother. Nick, your hands are
This
shaking.
is 900.
Your hands are
19.
shaking,
19.
Jeff. Jeff, your
Yeah,
hands are shaking.
this is 24.
Your hands are shaking, Jeff.
4 plus 3 is 27. I was under. How about that?
Well,
It's 2750 is the comp. 2750 is the comp. That's tough for you. Gross. Record. Yeah, he doesn't want to record now. He's like, oh, the mic's away. The camera. Oh no. Yeah. Okay.
hold on.
I believe you.
You said 26?
You said 26.
No, I said 25. You said 26.
No, don't. No.
22.
Here, I'll be nice. I'll be extremely nice.
Do you not remember you just said 26 market?
Hold on.
I have it on camera. You literally just said 20. I remember
I said 25. I was like
No.
being nice. I know it's over.
I
that.
said market
And I was
25, you
I
said
was
market
being
26.
I know, because you see how nice I am? I know the market's really higher, but I was like being nice. I could have said 3K and it would look like a schmuck.
2600 market.
Cool. The comp is 2700.
Okay.
2750.
Bro, you said 26.
The coin flip I would do is either 1300 or 3300. Wow.
Oh, $1,000 up or down? That's crazy.
$1,000 up or down.
22, 23.
No. 22.
Bro, I want to be at 84%.
And I don't.
You have more?
Yeah, I got all this.
Why are we arguing over 27 when you have another 10K in there? I'm with Jeff, Poke Studio. Market on this lot is around $5.5 grand. We're gonna flip
46.
4,600 or 4,700.
48.
Sorry, 4,600 or 4,800. Yeah, you're right. All right, we got a bunch of Altarts. Sabrina's Gengar is really nice. Where's that Sabrina's Gengar? Right here. PSA 10 Sabrina's Gengar, and the Sightseer PSA 10, and this Webb's Blastoise. All right, throw it. 4,800 if you win.
You didn't say anything.
I always go tails, bro.
Yeah.
I always go tails.
I'm on the back. I flipped it.
You rushed me.
Sat there.
All right, run it again.
You ready? You rushed me.
I'm cooked.
You're like, do it. You ready?
Yeah. Tails.
Tails again.
Look at me.
can't
Look
find
at
it.
me. Look at me.
I
It's
can't
right
find
there.
it.
It's right there. It's
Ah,
right there.
there it
It's right there. Now look at me. Golden balls! You just
the
got
word.
cooked.
You got good.
4,600, right?
46 is the number I wanted, but you just gave me a free. You tried to give me 48. I was like, okay.
Okay. Now he's trying to make himself feel better
I
about
was gonna
himself.
say 46. He's like, I'll do 48, 46. I was like, yes.
I choose what I want to give you.
I have to agree with the value.
300. Again, you're playing my game now.
No. I'm okay with you picking as long as we agree on the value. I'm cool with it.
You got a deal for yourself or no?
Huh?
Did you get a deal?
He wanted to match the 30-50. I was like, I'm gonna do it with Arvin.
On alts?
Yeah. But his.
How the hell are you gonna value $3,000 in 50?
But his is higher though, because he had bigger ones. He had like Giratina V, he had like Hidden Charizard GX, Scream EV.
You want big cards or smaller cards or both?
I don't care. I mean, I prefer.
I mean, I just offered you a Moonbreak. You said no.
I mean, you having like Giratina's, Charizard's Hidden Fates GX, Screams PSA 10.
Hold on. No, I just got that. I want that.
I want that. I literally have Charmander and Squirtle. Let me finish my Pikachu.
No, I have those two. This is the only one I didn't have.
Me too.
These I need. Hold on. Just say 550 on these two. 275 each. And 650 here. What are we at? 550 and 650 is 1,200.
Yeah, 2380.
Hold on. 1,200 plus 550 is
I have the.
1,200 plus 550. Hold on. 2,400 plus 300 is 2,700.
This is less than 300.
I'll value this at 3 as well. Plus 6, so you're at 3K.
Talk about cards all day.
Take that and run.
Let me know if you have any questions or need to see anything.
It's probably like 350. I just
How
said
much is this
300.
one?
I don't know.
I want to
300.
swap this out with one of these because I have all these. I don't have this.
Swap this with the Charizard.
Yeah.
Done? All right. I take the Poncho Rayquaza pair 9.
Next time you enter the zone,
You take the alts. GG's. We both print. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
We hope.
Which-
$100 coin flip. Just for fun.
Just for fun.
Has nothing to do with the fucking slabs.
Nothing.
All right. You throw, I call?
Sure.
Throw it high.
All right.
Go. Tails. 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 I've never beat you. Fuck, I lost again.
Double or nothing?
Yeah.
All right.
200. 200. 200.
All right, same thing or what do you want?
Just throw it.
This will be the last one though.
Throw it, I call,
This
yeah.
will be the last one.
Free or 200, yeah.
All right, ready?
0 or 200, yeah. Tails. 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 Yes!
Yeah, all right, there
Yes!
you go, there you go.
I don't owe him anything.
It's even. It's even.